Hi guys, hi YouTubers, hope you're well today. I've had a question by one of my downline members in one of my online businesses. He said to me that why do I have a blog and is it really important? Well, at the end of the day, I do believe, this is my experience, I like to have a blog, and you don't have to have a blog, it's entirely up to you. But when you're serious online and you want to build a business online, I do believe you need a base. A base is very, very important. Okay. The reason why I'm saying that is because I'm using my blog to prospect my new prospects and also showing I'm serious. Okay. And plus, they can read about me. What I've done in my journey. And I always find when I send traffic out, I do get more response when I'm sending traffic to my blog than I do a sales page or an opt-in page. That's my personal opinion. Yeah? I have sent emails out pointing people to sales pages. Yes, I have. I've got some good click rates through, but I always find when I send traffic to my blog, I seem to get more response. That's me. That's my. We're all different, but that's why I have a blog. And people like to read about you, what you've done. And it's not just that, guys. When you actually promote the business, you've got one product. Okay. Yes, you build an email list. You can keep their name and email address. You can send them another offer, whatever. Yeah, in a few weeks' time or whatever you're doing. The secret is building your list. Very important. But when you have a blog, okay, and you send people new prospects to your blog, you have other products, and they might not join your product you're promoting, or your platform, whatever you're doing. Okay, they might not join it, but by having a blog, they can read about you, say for example about me, contact me, okay? And also I do have other affiliate products that I do promote. For example, Free Commerce, Icon Pro, Lead Sleep, Buy Crypto, traffic programs, and also gold and silver. But I'm an affiliate, and that's what I do. This is what I do for a living, So you've got, you're throwing one stone and you get 3 or 4 bites of off the cherry, so to speak. That's my take on having a blog. But if you're a newbie, start with just doing the basics. But once you get into more and more making sales online, getting more successful, we want people to really kind of know you're serious about your business, And this is my business. It's like having premises. If you're working offline, you have business premises, don't you? But I work online, so this is my house or this is my business premises. I think it's important. That's me, and it builds my business, it builds my brand. I'm building a brand, which is me, We all build businesses, online. Sometimes they're great, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, Always trying to brand yourself, because if a business goes under or the exit scam, you're left with egg on your face. That's my experience. But when you have a blog, you're branding yourself, okay? I think it's the best way, Well, you probably think, oh, having a blog is expensive. No, it's not expensive, You can either get a WordPress website on Fiverr.com, for say $50, Hey, or you can get a free website with Wix websites. They're offering free websites. You can try it out, But my one's paid, I bought the domain name, which is mapfixonline.com, and I built my own site using using a very, very good host provider, Hostinger, which is very, very good, you know, very reasonable, very cheap, you know, and the customer support is very, very good. That's what you want. You want a good host provider, you know. I like him, it works for me. But guys, at the end of the day, you know, with having a blog, you can just, you're advertising yourself. You know, I'm doing digital products, I'm doing marketing, I'm doing recommending platforms. You know, it's everything all in one house, all in one roof. You know, and I believe it works for me. You know, and I think, you know, if people do have blogs, yes, you know, it's not just that, guys. You're getting organic traffic as well. You know, other than your list, because when you're building a business, you're promoting on Facebook, you know, Instagram, Twitter, well now X now, Pinterest, you know, all these platforms, you know, and also YouTube. But and also there's another thing is what would happen if you got a lot of success on Facebook and all of a sudden Facebook turned around and terminated your account. Bang goes your revenue. That's not good. Or YouTube, perhaps you got a strike from YouTube. I had a strike in YouTube once, you know, for say copyright video. You know, hey, I didn't know. It was a company who I was promoting, and I used their video, and I got a strike. You know, free. Got a slap wrist, so I won't be doing that again. But you live and learn. But you never know. You never know. You know, I'll make a reasonably good living on YouTube. I've got 3 channels, but I don't. You know, I'm very, very sacred with it now. I'm very respect their policies. That's for sure. Also Facebook. You know, but you never know. You never know what's going to happen around the corner. You know, you haven't got a blog, and these social media sites that suddenly ban you or terminate your account. You're stuffed. So having a blog, you are in control. You know, no one can take your blog away from you. You know. Also, you're getting traffic as well, organic traffic, and you're promoting yourself. You know, you're building your brand. Nobody else's. Anyway, guys, I hope you thought this or think this video is useful. If it's great, brilliant, thumbs up. If you think it's bad or iffy, thumbs down. Don't like to. Hey, but anyway, subscribe to my channel, you know, because I will be having other content. I do promote other businesses online, and reach out to me, introduce yourself. You can contact me on Facebook or my other platforms, or you can actually contact through my blog. I'll leave my links below the video. It's mattfeastonline.com, or friend me on Facebook, which is Matt Feast Online, Facebook Matt Feast Online. But I'll leave all the links below the video, so you know, and you can contact me if you're interested in building a blog. Just say hi, and you know, I'll tell you my experience really. And also look at my products. I've got a lot of products here. If you're building a business online, check my products out, guys. You know, because you never know, you might be interested. You know, it's sort of all about getting yourself out there, really. You know, it really, really is. Alright, guys, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. My name's Matt Feast, and happy days. Have a great day.